Happy Thursday! How's it going? Today I'm bringing you yet another amazing fall dessert smoothie, and today it is my banana bread smoothie. I am so excited for this one. I love banana bread. It's one of my favorite things to bake during the fall. It's so comforting, it's so delicious. The kids love it, which means that I love it even more. But now I'm gonna take all of those amazing flavors from banana bread and turn it into a smoothie. I seriously cannot wait. Make sure you stay though till the end because I'm going to be announcing something super exciting and you don't want to miss it. Okay, so we are going to start off with this banana bread smoothie. We obviously need to have a bunch of different ingredients that are not only going to help it taste amazing, but it's also going to help us to feel full, which is really what all of the smoothies are all about this week. Okay, so we are starting off with a tablespoon of hemp hearts. We've been using this for a couple of recipes this week. Like I had mentioned before, they are really high in protein and fiber, so that's fantastic. They're also high in omega-3s and omega-6s, which are essential fatty acids that we need to be taking into our body for our bodies to continue to work optimally. So really important to make sure you're getting those particular fatty acids from our food sources, and we're getting that in a super easy way, and that's just from hemp hearts. Now, since this is a banana bread smoothie, we are going to add bananas, and I actually have some frozen banana slices here. This is something that you can do with any bananas that are getting a little bit older, like they're getting a little bit ripe and you don't have enough time to make them into banana bread. Go ahead and just slice them up and put them onto a sheet tray just like I did. Freeze them, and then once they're completely frozen, you can transfer it into like a Ziploc bag. But I am just using about half of a banana in one serving of this banana bread smoothie. So we've got that in there. Now, today we are talking about one of the 4 major components that we need in order to make sure that we actually feel full after we eat something. Because one of the things that I really get annoyed by is when you eat something and then like an hour later you feel hungry again. That's the worst, right? So we've talked about protein, we've talked about healthy fats. Yesterday we talked about fiber. Today we are talking about greens. Now, you would have noticed in the other smoothie recipes that we had earlier this week is that we tried kale and spinach in them, and those are obviously green vegetables. But when I say greens, that's really an all-encompassing term. It really means lots of different fruits and vegetables that have lots of different colors, but more importantly, they have lots of different healthy benefits for us. So they're going to be super high in vitamins and minerals, which is fantastic. But also they're going to be really high in something called phytochemicals, which is basically a chemical compound in vegetables that help to trigger a couple of responses in our bodies. One, it's going to start some detoxification, which is amazing. And then 2, it actually helps us to start to fight against some of the free radicals that we have in our body, which are basically just to say that it helps to fight against some things that can cause cell damage in our bodies. So that's why it's so important to have vegetables, because it has those 2 properties that get signaled by the increase in vegetables and fruits in our bodies. But also, like we talked about yesterday with fiber, all of the fruits and vegetables that you're having are going to have so much fiber in them that it's actually going to help your gut health. It will help with all of the awesome probiotics, the healthy gut bacteria, so that you can actually feel better. Studies have actually shown that when you have really healthy probiotics, a really healthy gut, it can help with things like mental cognition. It helps with you thinking. It can even help you with recovery from exercise. It's really fascinating what a healthy microbiome in your gut can do. So keep eating lots of fruits and vegetables. But to go back to the greens, it doesn't have to just be greens. It can literally be any kinds of fruits and vegetables that are going to not create a really high response for your blood sugar. So we're talking about non-starchy carbs or non-starchy vegetables. And one of them is cauliflower. So I'm actually going to use some frozen cauliflower in this smoothie. That's about half a cup. What it's going to do is not only will it give us those vitamins and minerals, but it's also going to give a lot of texture and thickness to this particular smoothie, so it will really feel decadent. But we'll still have the flavor of the banana, and we're also going to add in our healthy fats, which for me, in this case, is pecans. We've got 2 tablespoons of pecans here. Just like I mentioned, it's tons of healthy fats, which are so good for us. It helps us to feel full. We have our vanilla protein powder going in, yum. And then something I always add to my banana bread is cinnamon. So we have a teaspoon of cinnamon right in here, delicious. And now we are gonna need to add our liquids. We have water here. You can also use almond milk if you'd like, or any kind of milk of choice. So I'm gonna add in 2 cups. So I'm using a little bit more liquid today because just like I mentioned, the cauliflower, when it gets blended up, is gonna make this really thick and delicious. So we need a little bit more liquid, and I have about a cup of ice. Now you can also add a little bit less if you're using a lot of cauliflower. And also something else to note, you can absolutely make this into a smoothie bowl by just reducing the amount of liquid that you're using. So we're gonna put the lid on and we're gonna blend it up. So we have all of our amazing ingredients in here. And we're gonna turn it on so we can make our banana bread smoothie. Let's go. That's it, banana bread smoothie, just like that, super easy. We've got our cup here, let's pour it in. I love this one, so good. Okay, oh, it smells like bananas and cinnamon, which are honestly my favorite flavors from banana bread, so good. And then let me show you a really fun topping to add to this. So obviously it's amazing just by itself. Oh, I love the smell of the banana and the cinnamon, honestly some of my favorite fall flavors. And we are gonna grate on just a little bit of something extra to really make this special. I've got a little bit of nutmeg. So you can get the nutmeg that's already ground up, but when you get this whole nutmeg, let me show you what a whole nutmeg looks like. It just looks like a little pod, almost like an acorn. So you wanna get one of those. And what we're going to do is just grate a little bit on top, just like this. I'm just using a little microplane, but it adds so much flavor when you just grate a little bit of this whole nutmeg right on top. It's really delicious. Let's give it a try. Oh, I love the banana. It makes it so thick and creamy. If you've ever had banana nice cream, it's kind of like that. It's really creamy and delicious. The cauliflower obviously adds to that as well. So good. Oh, this might be my new favorite. I know, I keep saying that every single day, but it really might be. This is so amazing, guys. Now make sure if you make this particular smoothie that you take a photo, post it on social, tag me, because you're going to go into the drawing to win an amazing prize, which I'm literally about to announce. So all week I've been sharing these amazing fall dessert inspired smoothie recipes because I wanted to show you 2 things. One, that you can still have these amazing fall dessert flavors, but in something that is actually really good for you. Hi Jana, how's it going? So these smoothies all taste like dessert, but they give you, 1, the flavor of the dessert without feeling guilty about it. And 2, it actually fills you up. It actually helps you to feel satiated. It actually doesn't make you eat something and then like 5 minutes later, you're like, oh, I'm actually still hungry. I think I'm gonna eat something else, right? Oh, let's see. Jana says, I'm having a banana and OB smoothie this morning. Can't wait to try the ones you've posted. Thank you, Jana. That's so nice. So just like I was saying, these smoothies have been so pivotal for me because I used to be one of those people that if I didn't eat regularly, my blood sugar would just drop like crazy. I would get super hangry and then I would be really cranky, and no one likes that. So after a whole bunch of trial and error, I managed to figure out a way of eating that not only was good for me, that not only helped to stabilize my blood sugar, but actually helped me to feel full, which meant that I was able to achieve my health and wellness goals. I was able to drop weight, I was able to drop inches, but even better than that, I was able to have the energy that I needed and wanted to get through all of the things that I wanted to do during the day, instead of getting to 3 o'clock in the afternoon and having no energy to do anything. So hi Jamie, hi Stacy. What I wanted to share with you guys today is, I'm super excited about this. I am going to be releasing a brand new nutrition group coaching program called Nourish for the holidays. This is going to be an amazing group program for women, a very intimate group program where we'll be talking about nutrition during the holidays. So usually the last couple of months of the year, November, December, can be really tricky because we have Thanksgiving, we have Christmas, and we have a whole bunch of desserts that we often just eat and then we feel awful afterwards because they're causing our blood sugar to get way out of whack. And when that happens, we feel low energy, we feel lethargic, and also it forces us to not stay on our health and wellness goals. And honestly, we all want to be healthy, right? We all want to feel good. We all want to have the energy that we need in order to get through the day. So this is what I want to help you with for the last couple of months of this year and into January for 2021. I will be leading a group of amazing women through the different things that they can make in the kitchen, through the different habits that they can start in their day-to-day life so that they can not only feel satiated from the food that they're eating, but also have the energy that they need to get through the holidays and start off 2021 with a bang. So you don't have to be one of those people that has a New Year's resolution and inevitably falls off of the bandwagon, because New Year's resolutions just don't work. But this group coaching program will, because we'll be starting early. We'll be getting those healthy habits underway earlier before anybody else does, so that you have an amazing foundation in order to get into 2021 and make it your healthiest and happiest year yet. Can you see this little hand? It's Dean. He's trying to say hi. But I am so excited to bring this group coaching program to you. If you are interested in joining an amazing group of women that are going to support and encourage each other, please let me know. DM me, comment below. I'm more than happy to have a little convo about it, because I'm so excited to create this platform of just incredible women who are ready to commit to their health, that are ready to take back 2020 and not have it finish like it started, right? 2020 has been a crapshoot for a lot of us, but it doesn't have to end that way. It's time to finish 2020 strong. It's time to take back your health. It's time to set yourself up for 2021 to be your best year yet, and I want to be the one to help you to do that. So in this program, you'll be getting weekly meal plans. You'll be getting group coaching from me each and every week to talk about a bunch of different things. You'll also, as a bonus, get a one-on-one coaching with me. One-on-one 60-minute group coaching session with me, and we'll talk about your specific health and wellness goals. We'll also be bringing in some amazing guest experts to help us really dive into some of the things that can also help us with your health during the holidays. So we'll be having people come in talking about fitness, talking about habits, talking about, just a minute, bud. Talking about how you can lighten up your life so you can find more enjoyment out of it, so that you don't have to put so much pressure on yourself during the holidays. We're going to be focusing on easy, sustainable habits that you can literally do every single day, never feel deprived, and know that these are things that are going to set you up for success moving forward into 2021 and beyond. So once again, if you're excited about this group coaching program like I am, let me know below, send me a DM. I want to tell you all the things about it, because this is going to be like a revolutionary way to finish 2020. Let's just make the end of 2020 the best that we can, right? Let's finish strong. I'm ready for it. Are you? Okay, guys, let's see. What else? The other thing I was going to let you know, if you make one of these smoothies and you have posted about it on social media, this is my amazing gift for you. You are going to get access into this program all week, no charge. So usually this group coaching program is a paid program, because I want you to invest in yourself and invest in your time, make that commitment to yourself. But if you have posted one of these smoothies, or you will post one of these smoothies that you've tried it, you will get access to this program for a full week. No payment at all. And I'm not going to hold back. You're going to get the first week meal plans. You're going to get to know the other ladies. You're going to get to know all the amazing content that I'm going to be bringing to you. All the amazing experts that are going to share with you their genius so that we can actually make our lives better. And so I know a number of people have already done it. Mariana's done that. I know that Anne has done that. Let's see, Roberta's done that. They're going to get access into the program. So if you want to get access into this program for free, for literally zero, and I'm not going to hold back anything for that first week. You'll get the group coaching. You'll get everything that you want in that first week. You just have to post a picture of one of these amazing smoothies and what you thought of it. I mean, just tag me. Let me know. It's going to be amazing. I can't wait to get all of these amazing, incredible women into this program, because it is going to be just, like I keep saying it, but it's just going to be such an amazing group. I cannot wait. So once again, let me know in the comments below or send me a DM. This is going to be an incredible program called Nourish for the holidays. Let me know if you want in. It's going to be awesome. And tomorrow we will be back with possibly the most decadent tasting smoothie. It is our cheesecake smoothie tomorrow. So join me at 8 o'clock. We're going to be taking smoothies to the next level tomorrow, but make sure you keep posting your smoothie photos because you will get access into my group coaching program. Have an amazing day, you guys. I will talk to you again soon. I'm Dean. We should probably say bye to Dean. Say bye.
Bye.
Have a great day, guys. Bye.